Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. Going to do our daily what sold video. Pretty meager sales yesterday. Six sales for a $40 total. I even sent out, I think I sent out 100 offers last night. So no one's nibbling. $6 a gallon for gas or a $5 postcard. You tell me which you'd rather purchase. Probably neither. Anyway. Let's get into what sold. So I have these state maps of Florida. I let it dwindle down to where it said I was sold out, but I actually have probably 30 or 40 copies. And Gary, a viewer, thank you very much for coming on in and buying two more. If you need another 40 or so, let me know. $1.99 each for those. This is a United Airlines in-flight menu airline issue. Some of these old airline menus can get quite pricey, so keep an eye out for those. This one sold for $8.49. Next, Caledonia, Pennsylvania, Thaddeus Stevens office. Pre-1908, well, circa 1906. Best offer of $6. Next is Watch Hill, Rhode Island. Multi-view greetings from Watch Hill, Rhode Island. Have a whole big stack of these. And Watch Hill, I think it's kind of a frou-frou-y place. If you're from Watch Hill, Rhode Island, please correct me if I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, I apologize. But this is where Taylor Swift built a big house. And this card is actually going to some bigwig in... television or movie production, lives in like a $10 million mansion. So I thought that was kind of neat that it's going to someone very rich and well off. He paid $3.99 or $3.49. Thank you, rich guy. This is Walt Disney World Haunted Mansion Ghost Band Magic Kingdom. My all-time most favoritist ride. $4.99 for that card. And then Illinois State Flower Violet, another one of those Ken Hag or Hogg or however you pronounce his name. Up there's his signature. Came in the auction buyout. I think I have one left, so I think I need to. Maybe I'll have two or three left. I actually had I had three left. I just relisted. Two are now available. I don't know what's showing up, not showing up, but yeah, I just relisted. I had three now. I list two. I always keep one extra just in case something goes wrong. So hey, let's move on to another topic here. Y'all need to go out and subscribe to Parker's Postcards for those who are not aware. Cameron from Gravity Goods started a postcard channel called Parker's Postcards. He went to his very first...
I'm all buckled in.
Shut up, Cameron. Forgot to mute it. But yeah, Cameron went to his very first club meeting the other night. A little bit of video from there. And had a huge stack that he walked away with. So yeah, go subscribe to Cameron Parker's Postcards and go to a postcard club meeting or a postcard show. If you're a reseller, you will clean up. So yeah, go give Cameron Parker's Postcards a little spank and a tickle. Right here. Subscribed and like. There you go. Okay. Good luck, Cameron. Welcome to the wonderful world of postcards. And I like what Cameron did. He not only went for resale, he went to collect. I'm really not a collector. I collect very, very few items, but I like that Cameron is actually collecting, supporting his habit. So yeah, go give Parker's Postcards a subscribe and watch. And last, I want to talk about Sundry Collectibles .net/Disney Postcards. I'll put the link below. I know if you've watched my Whatnots, I always talk about Sundry Collectibles. It's a checklist for Disney postcards. Mostly it's Disneyland. I don't think I've really ever found any Disney World on there. But you go to the checklist, and on the back of Disney postcards in the stamp box, there's going to be a number. So you can look up on the checklist by that number. So this one is D-128. So you D-128, submit, and it'll bring up this card, and it's the same card, and it tells you if it's a common card, uncommon, rare, very common, stuff like that. So this is a common card, but it's not like super very common. And if you get cards that the stamp box is covered up, obviously with a stamp, search by the name on the card. I know you can't see them in the small screen, but this one is monorail boats, and I typed that in. Hit submit, and there's one entry, so there it is. There's a couple different views of this card. I think I've sold this card for 20 bucks before, just to let you know. But there's another view that's a little bit more rare. So for a common card, I still got 20 bucks out of this. So yeah, that's Sundry Collectibles. And I got to plug the Whatnots. Today at 8 o'clock Eastern Time, 25 lots, some really nice stuff. I have started putting lots together from my cherry-picked selection. And since we were talking about Disney cards, some of these, or not some, these will be in my Thursday Nooner auction, pre-opening Disney World. Nice pre-opening Disney World. These came from my cherry-pick stock. These are some not so common views. I don't see some of these very often. So these are a stack of 15 or 16 Disney and Disneyland postcards. Thursday's Nooner. But I'll see you all tonight, hopefully, at 8 o'clock Eastern. Some great lots. There's a preview that I'll link. You can see what all the lots consist of. Some great real photos in there, too. I thank you all for watching. Go watch Parker's Postcards.